I have here a wall mount organizer kit. I'm gonna open it all up and then I'm going to install this and test it out and see how well it works. So these two pieces are the backing boards, and you can see they've got nice patterns. You can install them like this. You can shift one over to the side, and you can even install them end to end like this. So you've got plenty of different ways you can install it. They don't have to be side by side. You can separate them if you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these and then show how well they work. So you can see I got them installed inside my little shed spot right here. I got one up higher and one shifted to the side, down a little bit lower, just to give some variety on how I want to hang up my tools. Now that I've got these up here to hang up the hooks, you're going to find one of these recesses, slip it into place, pull it down till it locks, it kind of clips into place. You do not have to do anything extra, but if you want to, you can add a single screw here to make sure it doesn't pop back up when you remove the tool. But you've got plenty of options and slots that you can put them, so I'm going to finish putting these all up. There is also these smaller hooks that are going to fit into these little slots, and you can just push them in and clip them down into place anywhere you want. These are going to be for holding smaller objects, and then it's got this one that's a nice little hook. If you need to hang like a little cord or a rope or something, you can hang it off of this. So you can put a lot of weight on this system. The whole panel can hold up to 150 pounds a piece, and then each of the hooks can hold either 44 or 33 pounds themselves. This one holds 33 pounds, and the other three are 44 pounds per hook. So here you can see I hung up some of my garden tools, some shovels, rakes, a nice pickaxe. All of this is going to be nice and strong. I'm not going to have to worry about anything falling or collapsing. It's going to handle all the weight, and it makes everything nice and organized and easy to get to. So this wall mount organizer kit is super handy to have. You can see just how easy it is to get to stuff. When you're done with it, you can just quickly and easily hang things back up. You can move things around easily as well, and then you can position it however you want. Plenty of strength, makes it super organized and easy to get to your tools.